Today we're going to draw a little piggy. For this, you will need a piece of paper and a marker. To start off, we're going to draw the head. Now the head's going to be a big circle in the middle of the page. If you're not sure how to draw a circle, you can start with the letter C. Then I like to flip my paper around and draw another C. There we go. Now we can flip it right side up. Next, we're going to draw the ears. Now our ears are going to be two triangles on the top of his head. So let's take our marker, go all the way to the top, and scoot over just a little bit. Remember, a triangle has 3 sides, so let's count it together. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do the same on the other side. Bring your marker to the top and scoot it over just a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Next, we're going to draw the nose. The nose is going to be in the center of our big circle. Remember our trick about drawing a circle. You can start with a C, flip your paper around, and draw another C. Now we're going to add 2 dots in the middle of his nose. Let's put them next to each other. 1, 2. Good job. Now our little pig needs some eyeballs, so we're going to put 2 dots, but a little bit bigger, on the top of his head around the big circle. Let's count it together. 1, 2. Now I'm going to add a smiley face to my pig. If you want to add a smiley face to yours, you can start under the nose and make a U. Aw. Very good. That's our pig. I hope you enjoyed.